Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Yango if we click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about Yango app and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to this window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yango. If you find updates, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.